how to customize your landing page in Beehiiv. So as you know, Beehiiv is this great newsletter tool for you to use by the people behind Morning Brew, a newsletter for your emails. Now, aside from your newsletter, you can also add your website in Beehiiv. So recently they have added the website service. You can connect your domain, and you can set up your website from there. And inside your website, you will have to create a landing page to convert visitors to subscribers, right? And the best way to do that is to actually create a straightforward landing page. From the data that they have, it is found that landing pages that has a binary option, like either they want to subscribe or they don't, is the landing page that is the most effective. It's similar to this. Let's view site over here in the menu over here to go to our site. Now this is the type of landing page that they find is best converting. But as you see, um, there's not a lot of context in it, and what they found that the users want is they want a little context and see what they're really uh, missing out on. So to do that, let's just edit this landing page and add some context to your landing page. Now, to edit your landing page, since it is part of your website, you go to the website builder over here under dashboard in your Beehiiv dashboard. And as you can see, this is your website. Now, what you want to do is to toggle this drop down over here. This is the list of your pages, and just edit the sign up page over here. Now, this is your sign up page. This is the page that the this acts as your landing page, because if people haven't subscribed to your newsletter, they will be presented with this website, right? This web page, right? Okay, so the sign up page is the page that we will be working on today. Okay, so the first menu is logo and identity. And like the name said, we can set our logo over here. We can change our logo, and and identity. The second one is global colors, typography, radius, global, navigation, subscribe widget, and etc. This is to change these styles, the global styles that will reflect across your website. Now, to edit this specific web page, go to layout, and in this layout we have our sections. Now, first is the hero section. The hero section will be for changing your styles. So if you want to add a background over here, just click browse to upload, and you will be able to upload your background. Now, they have already listed the best resulting format, which is the PNG 1920 times 1080, so standard 1080p full HD resolution in PNG. They also have added the high quality PNG uh, specification for your image, and your image will be displayed on the right of the newsletter. Now, you can add a mock-up, like a phone mock-up picture for the image over here, so that they will see a phone opening your newsletter to reflect on what they are going to experience when they sign up to your newsletter. I find that really cool. Now, you can also enable or disable your logo. So if you disable your logo, there will be no logo. If you enable your logo, there will be your logo. Now, next is the overline. Overline is the part, the overline, headline, and description will be the part of your widget, of your landing page. So overline will go over the headline over here. Now, I'll just say this is, I'll actually move the Rehan's newsletter over here to the overline, because I want uh, the the headline to be a catchphrase. So it will look something like this. So the headline will be a catchphrase like uh, everything about me, fresh every day. Maybe that's the call to action I wanna. That's the catchphrase I wanna use. Okay, so next is the description. You can add your description over here. Uh, let's just say the description is, let's see, get closer to me and receive updates on everything right at your fingertips every single day, maybe. Okay, so that is the type of wording that they recommend. Also, you can change the styles of each text. So if we click styles over here, you can change the font, the color, the font size, and you can also change the other settings. Now, if you wanna change the styles globally, I recommend you to go back to the styles menu on the left of the layout menu over here to change everything at once. All right. Now, next you can also have your underline and your redirect link. Now, underline will go under your under the text that we have put in later on, previously. I mean, and let's just say the underline here is don't miss out, maybe. Now, the redirect link is what I find uh, most interesting because you can add a redirect link under your underline, and this is best for going by moving them to your example newsletter. So the call to action that is best for the redirect link will be uh, let me see first. So this redirect link call to action is what I think uh, is what will work best. All right, so if we go back, okay, so this is our hero section. Now to add more social feedback, you can also add the testimonial section over here. And testimonial section will be a scrollable section under the hero section. And if we click enable, you will see it generating underneath our hero section. Now you have your overline and headline. You can also add your testimonials under it. Now you do need to add individual testimonials, but I'll just add a simple testimonial here. So let's call this John Doe, and the description will be, yeah, CEO of company X. Why not? And the message will be, this is great. Okay, just for example, right? And these testimonials that you will add will be presented underneath your headline. And as you can see, it's scrollable, so they don't have to read it all. It's very simple. Basically, it's just your hero page, but if they are interested, they will scroll down. And when they scroll down, they will see elements that will support their decision to subscribe to your email. So that's the idea. All right. Now, if you want to edit your testimonial, you can just click the burger bar on the right over here and click edit. You can also, yeah, so you can edit them. You can also delete them by doing the same thing. And let's go back to the sections picker and let's go to the featured post section. So in addition to the testimonials, you can also add the featured posts that they are missing out previously. So you can add your featured posts over here when you have added your posts in your website and your newsletter. You can also add a frequently asked section. Now, if you enable this, this is very straightforward. You can list down the frequently asked questions over here by clicking add. Let's just add one for now, and let's just say the question is what, and the answer will be yes, and it will be listed down in the frequently asked questions as a drop down for the answer. So that is how you can create your first landing page. So if we go back and click view site, maybe we haven't saved it, but that's how we can edit our landing page in Beehiiv. Thank you.